And here it is, my version 2. If I were to do a version 3, um, I would do the rings straight with straight, you know, plywood. Um, Segments are good. However, my skill level does not work well with that. So that's going to be something else. Um, let's see, what else would I do differently? Right. So attaching uh, the piece that goes with the uh, lathe, because that it sits on here, right? Um, I would do two bolts, um, one here, one there, straight through the uh, rings, um, to make it a lot more solid. That's because right now I have four screws, two on each side, and there is a little bit of a gap in there. I don't know if you can see it, but there is that little bit of a gap. I'm not going to worry too much about it. Um, it should hold. Correction, it will hold. However, um, this piece I would do a little bit differently, make it a little bit nicer, um, and make it fit the lathe a little bit better. Um, let's see, what else would I do differently? Not too much more. Um, Price wise, I wouldn't be able to tell you how much this thing cost. However, if you were to do it, you can more than likely make it out of a single sheet of uh, 3/4 inch plywood. One of the 2 by 4 foot sheet should work well to make this entire thing on the wheels. Um, I've seen some that are just simple uh, wooden wheels on a bearing, and I've seen some that are just uh, wooden wheels, no bearing, and just a simple bolt through the thing. So you can vary up those wheels, that cost right there. And, you know, if you can think of any other ideas for it, you should go for it. Um, I don't want to say this was a weekend project, um, especially with my skill level. However, some of you can do it in a weekend, uh, or it could be done in a day. Uh, just depends on how much time you have and what tools you got and where your skill level is. Um, this has taken me a little bit longer than I would have liked, actually, way longer. However, uh, it was a good learning process, and the segment pieces here are not going to go to the waste. I will be using them for a few other projects. Like I said, I don't know what, but I'll figure it out. Now, for this piece, I should be able to at least keep one of the rings. These segment parts I'll probably throw out. So I try not to waste too much lumber. So, and this was all recycled wood from an old dresser, so I didn't waste too much money on it. And yeah, if you're looking for detailed plans for it, I don't have them. I just used ones that I saw online and I modified it to my skill level. So, yeah, I can give you suggestions on it if you're looking for them. But that's it. And I'm looking forward to using it. And in later videos, you'll see it being used. All right. Thanks.